392 gang, man, what's going on, man? Back at it again with another video. So first thing first, man, you new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn that bell on, that way you get notified every time I drop one of these videos, man. Now the time here is about 6:30 in the morning, man. I've been up all night. We went to Mexico last night around 1 o'clock. No, my bad, we got back from Mexico last night around 1 o'clock. And I've been up ever since, man. I couldn't go to sleep, online, looking up car parts, watching YouTube, yada yada. Then I got hungry, so I said, you know what, I'm about to cook me something to eat. Now, listen, a lot of people been wanting to know, like, you know what I'm saying, when I'm gonna post some workout videos, some videos on, you know what I'm saying, stuff I eat. So I said, I'm gonna switch it up a little bit today. So what I decided to do was, I'm gonna take y'all on a journey, man. Show y'all how I make my famous protein pancakes, alright? Alright, man, so boom. First thing first, you're gonna need your protein. Now, you can get any protein you want, whatever flavor you want. Now, I got some more protein in the cabinet, man. It's chocolate peanut butter. But I don't want no type of pancakes right now. So I want just some regular vanilla pancakes. So I'm gonna show y'all. So boom, I got the phase 8 protein right here, vanilla flavor. Alright, then boom. You're gonna need you some eggs, some whole eggs, all the yolk, all that good stuff. You're gonna need a little salt. It's crazy, but you know you're gonna need it. You're gonna need a little ground. Come on, focus. Come on, focus. You gonna focus? All right. Little ground cinnamon. Almond milk. Get you some almond milk, people. Stop drinking that regular dairy whole milk and get you some almond milk. Yes, I'm a hippie today. And then, man, of course, last but not least, you're gonna need your banana. This banana is not rotten, by the way. That's just the way it look on the outside. So, FYI for all my food creeps out there. Oh man, he putting a rotten banana in the pancakes. Man, whatever. Banana just look like that. It's perfectly fine. So, with that being said, these are the ingredients you're gonna need, man. Now, you feeling frisky and you wanna add a little flavor, boom, get you a little Hershey's sugar-free chocolate syrup. You know what I'm saying? Make it a little chocolatey. Alright, man, so look, go ahead and crank this thing on up the dumb way. First thing first, man, go ahead and peel this banana back. For all y'all people who thought my banana was rotten. But like I told you, man, listen, my bananas is good. So, you know what I'm saying, just so you can make sure it mixed up real good, just start, you know what I'm saying, breaking little pieces off and put them in there, you know what I'm saying. You can put the whole thing in there you want to, but I just like to break mine up that way, you know what I'm saying. I know it's getting mixed up real good. Now we gonna throw this in there. We gonna throw that away later. Alright, so boom. Now, what you do now is you get your 2 scoops. Well, put it like this. Me, I eat a lot. You feel what I'm saying? So I like to maintain, get this muscle mass, get these gains, you feel me? So this breakfast is gonna be about 50 grams of protein. So with this scoop right here, so it's 26 grams of protein per scoop. So I'm gonna do 2 scoops. You know what I'm saying? 22 times 2 is what? Think about it. Think about it. Yes, sir. There you go. I said 22. I meant 26. So 2 scoops of this is what? You know what I'm saying? 12. You know what I'm saying? 14. 52 grams of protein, man. So that's 1. You understand me? Yeah, now y'all cooking with Chef Rob, aka Chef Homeboy RD. You understand? Boom. Add 2. All right. Now listen. After you do that, right, you're gonna set that right over yonder. Now, you're supposed to get like a teaspoon of salt. But you know me, I don't measure, you know what I'm saying? I cook from the soul. So I pour a little dab right there. Bam, that's all you need, you know what I'm saying? Now, same thing with the cinnamon. Supposed to be a teaspoon. So I do, bam, that's all you need. Now look, this is the part you got to do. Hold on. Let me see. Now we're gonna crack open 2 eggs, right? We're gonna crack open 2 eggs, man. Crack open 2 eggs. Boom. My bad, man. You know what I'm saying? She up there jamming, getting her little morning thing going on, getting ready for work and whatnot. You know what I'm saying, due to COVID, you know what I'm saying, I've been blessed to work from the crib, you understand? She don't like that. But it is what it is. You can't get mad at me. Alright, man, so look, boom. Crack your 2 eggs in there, right? Once you do that, now here comes the important part. The important part is you got to make sure you put enough milk in there but you can't put too much because you don't want it to be runny. You want it to be that batter material. So I'm gonna add 1 shot, 2 shots. All right, boom. Now we're gonna start with that. Make sure that consistency is real thick. Meanwhile, go ahead and put you a pan on the stove, get it heated up. You know what I'm saying? That way it'll be already hot. Go ahead and put this thing on this ninja blender, and then you just let's see what that look like. Let's see. You know what I'm saying? Now look, it's still a little runny. So boom. What we gonna do to fix that? I want a little bit more carb because I got legs today, right? So boom. I got legs, so I need that glycogen. Throw me a pack of oats in there. By the way, I use the low sugar Quaker maple brown sugar oatmeal. That's the best oatmeal out there, man. You know what I'm saying? So boom. Throw them oats in there real quick. Then what you gonna do is you gonna go in here, boom, get a little wheat flour. Now listen, yeah, I eat healthy. So I don't want to hear nothing about raw, got all this organic this, gluten-free this. Yeah, that's what I eat. You feel what I'm saying? So get your wheat flour. My bad, I said wheat flour, I mean almond flour. Now almond flour got 1 gram of carb per serving. That's 1 gram of carb. Come on, bro. Listen, y'all gotta get them bodies right, bro. It's almost shirt off season. You feel what I'm saying? For a little bit. Oh, hey. Don't get a little too heavy. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna put that in there. Now, if you really wanna, you know what I'm saying, spice it up a little bit, put your little peanut butter in there. As a matter of fact, why not? Why not throw a little peanut butter in there? So give me a little big little thing like this. Yeah, sir. And that's all you need. You good to go, baby. You put that thing back on there like that right there. And then boom. Now you put it back on the blender. There you go. Now we cooking. She cooking now. Boom. Let me see if we got the consistency that we want. Oh yeah, see it's thick now. See now we got that batter. See now we got that batter. Alright. Now you got some of that Pam non-stick spray. You know what I'm saying? You pour you a little bit in there, but see I ain't got no more. So then what I did was I got a little butter. You feel me? And I put it in the pan like this right here. You understand? Now what you gonna do is you gonna go ahead and get that batter. Let me see if she go a little bit. And boom. Pour that batter in there like such. Ooh. I'm gonna let y'all see this, but y'all got to, you know what I'm saying? Look how perfect that pancake is. Come on, brother. It don't get no perfect than that. You understand? Look at the circumference of that pancake. Look how circular it is. Well, she got her little chef hat on. But let me go ahead and say for the record, she not a chef, she a physical therapist, but you know, she got dreads or whatnot, so she don't want the hair to get out of the patients, you know what I'm saying? She mad 'cause she gotta go to work in there early, she ain't get that much sleep, so you know what I'm saying.
And it's $5.39.
She be out.
It's lit, $3.92 game.
Lit, you understand me? We out of here. No, we not out of here, we in here, but you know what I'm saying?
In the house. Well, I'm out of here.
I'm gonna show y'all my flip game, man. I don't know what she talking about. Now let's see what this flip game talking about. You understand? It's real perfect. You gonna get that thing like that and say, bam! Ooh! Yes, sir. Y'all can't flip it like that, brother. Y'all can't flip it like that. Look how perfect that is. That's a perfect pancake. That is a perfect pancake. That pancake turned out good. You feel what I'm saying? So now I got the second pancake in the pan. Same thing, just as smooth as usual. You know what I do. And just like that, y'all, we got 3 perfect looking protein pancakes. We got 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so now normally what I use is the Mrs. Butterworth sugar-free syrup. I ran out, so I got the Aunt Jemima light sugar syrup. It's 65% fewer calories than normal. So go and check that out, man. I know y'all probably say y'all ain't trying to do all that. Y'all like the sugar, y'all like that. But hey, man, it's cool. You know, to each his own. Me, I'm gonna try to do what I gotta do to stay healthy, maintain, and keep these gains. You dig what I'm saying? So I'm about to smash this, man. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all like the video. You know what I'm saying? If you did, make sure you drop a comment. You know, and if you do try this, drop a comment and tell me how it tastes. You feel what I'm saying? The recipe is super duper easy. You know, I showed you all the ingredients you need. I want y'all to try this. I need at least 10 people. Matter of fact, let's get this video to 100 likes first of all. Let's get this video to 100 likes. And out of 100 likes, I need 10 people to try this recipe and tell me what y'all think. But don't forget to like the video, man. Share it, man. Comment your comment if you try it or not. You know what I'm saying? And let me know what you think about it. And I'll see y'all in this video, man. Alright, 392 gang, we out.